Hi everyone, this is exercise 23 in chapter 4. We're going to be closing out our accounts. So here we're going to start with our revenue. So our two accounts is service revenue and rent revenue. So we're going to go ahead and type those in. And right here, after everything is adjusted, we have a number of 35,520. We're going to go ahead and debit that. Same with rent revenue, 14,210. And then we're going to do our income summary and add those together. We get 49,730. Next, we're going to close out our expense accounts, and our first thing we're going to do is income summary. We won't know what that is till we've gotten all of our expense accounts down. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we have salaries and wages. So if we go up here, it is 18,030, and we're going to go ahead and credit that. Our next one is rent expense. And that one is 17,223. And we have our supplies. It's going to be 1,440. Insurance, 1,370. And then depreciation. And this one is 1,200. And then we're going to go ahead and add all those together. We get 39,263. And our next one is going to be our income. So first we're going to put our income summary. And we're going to debit this. And this is just our revenue income summary minus our expense income summary. So just like retained earnings. We get 10,467. Yeah. And we're going to put retained earnings here. And we're going to credit that, 1,467. And our last one is go up here and see our dividends, 2,660. So our income summary, or retained earnings, sorry, 2,660. All right, hope that helps. Then I clicked, make sure I was correct, and I was. So that helps you guys.